Stop by and take a look at the 2000 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, center console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.